Look at the beast. The machine. Want a new bumper? You might hold, but you have to fix it. Now watch them thing. As a farmer, this is gold. Come here, check back, man. Yeah, we should not be on bag about one them here. You come back for them here. Now I carry them now because some posts me come for. Some fire stick. I don't come for no wood. Fire stick. So this is fall manure. So if you not plant pumpkin, you need them a goal. You just dig it hole. Put them in the first, then cover back the hole deep. Then you put them in there. Then you cover it back. Them goal. This is fall manure. This is like you did it long. So the best, the longer you did it, you better feed the break down better. So you better smell. You know, smell so strong, but it's good. I best on this. Look at, oh, what is that? It's like one cow or one donkey. Like in a big door. And think this are big. Okay. This is a pelvis. Down there, so I think. This is a skull. This is a rib cage. We go to school now, so we know certain things, you know, about that I spine go straight up. A woolly rib cage and everything. You know certain things. You know how this is. It's like some foot bone or something like that. It's a big animal. It's like a cow. But anybody lose a cow, yeah, lose a lot of money. I'm not gonna lie. One cow running like 400, 500,000 or so. I don't know if that's so much, but I guess. So, that's money there. So anybody lose a whole cow, I'm so sorry. So people lose TV, people lose toilet. Look at this, someone lose a whole car. This is what I don't want my car to turn out to. I'm not the police, so I can't say nothing. I can look some fire stick on here. I can look a little low. Oh, they want some. This I can see we made maca. So maca better take what them right now. Right now soft. No, soft. So I will get my water boot. But I didn't. So if we just do, we have to do. You can see it's a root. On every root make good fire stick. Never know till you try. And if a whole root can hold on my car. I doubt it, but we're not going to know till we try. Aye. No, I left too much maca in the road because people pass and, you know? People ride bicycle and things. So I want to make sure it moves the maca them out of the road. They might look soft, see, so I'll go track it. Aye, yeah. Bicycle and thing. Don't want to hurt nobody. Yeah. As I say, people not supposed to dump around here. But people still dump all in garbage around here. Then so I show you one sign. Say no dumping. Garbage, big garbage. See sign. No dumping sign. Yeah, people still don't know his wallet. Especially. And then we can get this out. Oh, I'm strong. I'm strong. Whole tree, me take out the ground, could it? Wow. Bro, I don't know my power. Bro, I don't know my strength. What? Bro, I need to join some of them strong man thing. See if I can broke it, you know. Not broke. Broke your foot. I can't touch me though. See that? In my slippers, in my Nikes, in my Adidas. Can't broke it again. Yeah, I'm broke out a piece of though. Some people have come. Nothing wrong with me, mom. Nothing wrong with me. Huh? Nothing wrong with me, man. I just some fire stick me a look. Oh, I catch some fire. Alright, morning, man. Can't pass. Ah, my children. Ah, father. So we now bother carry this. This is too big and heavy. Can't manage to carry. And the other route out the front. We now bother carry this. So we get good climb out. We have some out the front this so. So we go on right so. So we have good climb out. So we now bother carry this feet. Today I feel unlucky day. So I don't know about it. Jesus Christ. I know boil up. Soon time for some more man now. Chicken in already yet? Huh? Oh, me ask you chicken in already. One grape. I want a piece of for roasting, Kelly. Piece of roast. Piece of ribs. Now file paper. Piece of rib again. You know how many money down? Wait, Jimmy. Right up there. Back. Oh. No. So people, we are going to deliver meat. Brownie meat. Just call him bigger bro. Bigger any name. Call him bigger bro. try to touch some films. 5 pounds. That's how I take off the guy. Go on, cut it. Take off the guy, they go on, cut it. Iga! Come here! Sure, it's right there. See the corner here, see the corner. Next stop, Baba.